What's up guys, my name is Malcolm. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Duolingo, the language app. So the first thing you do is to definitely open the app Duolingo. As you can see, the app is in dark the app is in light mode. This is how the app will look like when you just downloaded it. This is in light mode. So in order to change it to dark mode, the first step you do is to tap on this face icon over here. Tap on the face icon at the center, and then tap on the settings button, and then scroll down to general dark mode, and then you turn it on. Press on that and then turn it on. See, this is how dark mode will look like, and then you press done, and then you go back to the home page. This is how the app will look like when it's in dark mode. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if this video has helped you, please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.